Welcome to Blessify. Today we hope to blessify your health and your kitchen with this delicious aloo palak recipe. Aloo simply means potato and palak means spinach. So aloo palak simply means potato and spinach. This is a classical South Asian dish. You can find this at many Indian Pakistani restaurants. If you've never tried this, I'm really excited for you today because you're going to love this. It's a great way of making your family and your kids eat spinach. So let's get started. So making this is very simple. All you need are these ingredients. So obviously the spinach and the potatoes are the main ingredients. We also have some chili peppers, some tomatoes. We have ground coriander or coriander powder. We have some salt, some cumin seeds. We have freshly grated turmeric, but you could also use powdered turmeric. We have freshly grated ginger, 4 or 5 cloves of garlic chopped, and this is optional. We added some butter at the end, but you can completely leave this out if you don't want the extra fat. So here's a summary of all of the ingredients and the amounts that we used. We also have this all written out in the description box under the video. The first step, like always, is to add the oil to a pot. So we have a half a cup of vegetable oil, and we're going to heat this on medium heat. Then add in the garlic. We don't want to turn the garlic very brown. We're just going to lightly saute it and then add in the cumin and the chili peppers. Keep stirring this for a minute, and then we're going to add in the turmeric, as well as the ginger. Turmeric and ginger are very healthy. They're like superfoods, and we try to incorporate them in as many dishes as possible. So keep stirring this for about a few seconds. Then we add in the coriander powder and the salt. Then you add in the tomatoes. And at this point, we add in just 2 tablespoons of water to stop the garlic from burning. And the tomatoes are going to release their own water, and this whole mixture is going to turn into a saucy kind of texture. So here we see that the tomatoes have released their water, and at this point we can add in all of the potatoes. So we add in all the potatoes into the gravy and stir everything together. In order to allow the potatoes to cook, we put the lid on the pot, and this will allow the potatoes to steam and cook through. We left the lid on for about 5 minutes, and then after 5 minutes we're going to check to see if the potatoes have cooked through. At this point the potatoes weren't completely cooked through, and we also see that the oil is starting to come out, it's starting to separate. At this point we can add in the cooked spinach. So we're using cooked spinach here. We had already boiled it before. So the last step is to mix everything together, and we're going to put the lid back on and let it cook for another 5 minutes until the potatoes are completely cooked. And we're almost done. So here 5 to 6 minutes with the lid on. Once we take the lid off after 5 minutes, we're going to add in the butter. This is going to add just a beautiful texture and a beautiful flavor with the butter, but you can completely avoid this if you don't want the extra fat. So we're almost done. Now it's time to plate it out and serve with some bread. Here we made some delicious homemade corn naan. So it's made out of corn flour. We have this coming up in another video. So we hope you liked it. We hope you're going to try it out. If you have comments or questions, just let us know. We're going to try our best to answer them. Please remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes coming up. Please like, subscribe, and share, and have yourself a great day. Thank you so much.